Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to guide you through another episode aimed at boosting your English skills. Today, we're focusing on auxiliary verbs. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode will be a great way to understand this essential part of English grammar. Let's jump in and explore how auxiliary verbs work and how they can help you sound more fluent. So, what is an auxiliary verb? Simply put, an auxiliary verb, also called a helping verb, is used alongside a main verb to add extra meaning or to form a grammatical structure, like questions, negatives, or different tenses. Common auxiliary verbs include be, have, and do. These verbs might seem small, but they play a huge role in English sentences. Let's look at some examples. If you want to talk about something you're currently doing, you might say, I am learning English. Here, am is an auxiliary verb that helps form the present continuous tense. Or let's say you want to ask a question. Do you like coffee? In this case, do is the auxiliary verb that helps us form the question. Finally, if you're talking about something that has already happened, you might say, I have finished my homework. Here, have is an auxiliary verb that helps us create the present perfect tense. In daily life, auxiliary verbs are incredibly useful for creating polite questions and clear sentences. For example, if you're ordering food, you might ask, could I have the menu, please? Or, if you're making plans with a friend, you could say, are you coming to the party? These small verbs make your English sound smoother and help you express different times, questions, and intentions. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. I hope this breakdown of auxiliary verbs has been helpful and that you'll feel more confident using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.